Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, when it rains it pours. There is no rest for the wicked. That is how we are starting this particular video, as we go once again into the life and times of the Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo. So guys, I bring you this. We won't interfere in alleged Osinbajo presidency face-off, and this is attributed to the Senate. So we will not interfere in alleged Osinbajo presidency face-off, and this is what the Senate is saying. So now let's delve straight into what's being said. The Senate will not interfere in the alleged face-off between President Muhammadu Buhari and Vice President Yemi Osinbajo. Its spokesperson, Senator Adedayo Adeyeye, has declared. Answering questions from Senate correspondents after plenary in Abuja, Adeyeye said whilst the president reserves the prerogative to assign duties to his aides, he is not aware that any roles assigned to the vice president have been withdrawn. Adeyeye, who is the chairman, Senate Committee on Media and Publicity, was responding to a question on whether the Senate would intervene to solve the alleged crisis. He said, "The Senate is not involved with that, and we are not concerned about what happens in the executive or things that are happening to the executives. I am speaking for the Senate. I do not speak for the executive, and I do not want to concern myself with the issue of the vice president or the executive. It is not our business. That is the executive arm of government, and we do not interfere. Why do we have to do that? It is not our concern. Why do you want to drag me into something that does not really concern me and does not concern the Senate? So we are not bothered about that, and we are not concerned. I am not aware if any role constitutionally assigned to the vice president has been taken away from him. Nothing like that has happened. Constitutionally assigned duties remain the same. Get it right. The president has the prerogative to assign duties to all those who work with him in the executive. He has the constitutional powers to assign roles to his aides. He can call the Minister of Works and say, okay, go to that ministry tomorrow. Finance Minister, go to Labor. The Senate will not inquire into that because that is his duties. He can say, my Vice President, I give you these additional responsibilities. Where is the power of the Senate to investigate that? We do not have the power, of course, that will warrant the intervention of the Senate. That has never happened, and that has not happened. I do not think that that will happen. Even the judiciary will have a role to play in that as well, not only the legislature. Only where the Constitution is seen to have been violated. I do not think we have any cause to be discussing that, because that itself has not happened. So we are not bothered about that, and we are not concerned. I want to tell you that at this moment we are not investigating it. So now that is the Senate's response to Professor Yemi Osinbajo. Sink or swim by yourself is effectively what they are saying to this guy as they cast him adrift on a river without a paddle. So this is now the life and times of this guy now, who they sent round the market square. We keep repeating, handing out 10,000 naira, and this is now his own 10,000 naira. This is what the 10,000 naira has bought him. So this is really the thing with this guy. When he allowed himself to be debased in such a manner during that election, they then had to recategorize him in their mind that this guy really is a hungry man. Effectively is what they are thinking, because if he could not stand his ground and say, look, I am not the ideal person to be going around market square, let's send a minister if we want somebody of status, but my position and the position of this office is far too important and is far too revered to be going around market squares to be handing out 10,000 naira. But then he did not say that, did he? He gleefully went around handing out 10,000 naira, blowing big grammar to market women, and this is the payback now. Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Up the creek without a paddle is the fate that seems to have befallen this Osinbajo fella now. So what you think about it is what I am interested in, and I would like to hear all about it in the comment section. But before you come engage with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of the travails of the life of Yemi Osinbajo in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you there, but here I say peace.